In the quest to prevent the decline of Igbo language, some secondary school students have lent their voices to the call on Igbo parents to use English language as first language to bring up their children instead of Igbo language. To reconsider this practice, correspondent Queen Anibogo filed this report.
A final year secondary school student from Mata Christi Secondary School, Awada, Ms. Chioma Mama, explained that bringing up Igbo children with their mother tongue is very important as it is their identity, citing how other nations of the world like India, China, and even those that colonized Nigeria and African countries treasure their languages, saying that Ndi Igbo should also be proud of their own language by teaching their children how to speak it.
Ịga n'obodo ndị India ha na-asụ asụsụ ha, iro na China ha dị proud na-asụ asụsụ ha, mana anyị mabụzi ndị Igbo pụta anyị na-eme ka ime karịa ndị kụziri anyị.
My advice to every parents is that they should help us, their children, in teaching them Igbo language. They should make use of Igbo language at home.
In their separate remarks, other students, Ms. Chinecherem Ngole and Master Chigozie Onyebaluchi, said Igbo parents who use English language as first language for their children are killing the Igbo language and culture and should desist from such. Queen Anibogo reporting for ABS News.